Inverse of a matrix. Let A be any non-singular matrix of order n. Non-singular matrix means that A is not equal to 0. If there exists a matrix B such that AB is equal to I is equal to BA, then A is said to be invertible and B is said to be inverse of A. Inverse of A is unique and we write A inverse equal to B. So, to find inverse of any matrix A, there exists another matrix B of the same order as that of A such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say A is invertible and this matrix B is called the inverse of A, and this can be written as A inverse is equal to B notation. Here B is the inverse of A. And also remember here, when B is the inverse of A, I can say A is the inverse of B also. If I rewrite this, BA is equal to AB is equal to I in this way. Now here I can say B is invertible and B is the inverse of A also. Next, if A is invertible matrix, then A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. This is a formula we are going to use to find the inverse. How to get this formula? In adjoint of a matrix, there is a property A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to det A into I. So dividing by det A throughout the equation, since det A is a scalar quantity, I am writing here adjoint A by det A, keep in one bracket, adjoint A by det A into A is equal to I. Now this is of the form AB is equal to BA is equal to I. So as we discussed in the definition, if AB is equal to BA is equal to I, then we can say A is invertible and B is the inverse of A. So A inverse is equal to B. What is B here? This part, adjoint A by det A. So this is the inverse of a matrix. So to find inverse of a matrix, we need to find det A. First of all, det A is not equal to 0. That means non-singular matrix, then only inverse exists. After that, we need to find adjoint of a matrix. So how to find adjoint of a matrix? We need to find the cofactor matrix and take the transpose of the cofactor matrix. We get adjoint. Finally, A inverse equal to adjoint A by det A. Inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. If A is equal to ABCD and AD is not equal to BC here, then A inverse is equal to. This is a formula to find inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So this also we can get by using adjoint A by det A only. So what is the det A here? Det of ABCD, that is AD minus BC. Since AD is not equal to BC, this is definitely not equal to 0. A is non-singular. So what is adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix? Interchanging the diagonal elements. Here diagonal elements are AD, interchanging DA. Change the sign of non-diagonal elements. B and C are the non-diagonal elements. Change their signs, minus B, minus C. So adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix is D minus B minus C A. Therefore, finally, A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A formula. Since det A is in the denominator, I am writing it out separately. 1 by det A is AD minus BC into adjoint matrix is D minus B minus C A. So this is a way of finding adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. I will explain you with one example. If you take any one example, say A is equal to any one example, say 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A inverse is. So you can apply that formula directly. So here You can compare this matrix with A, B, C, D. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. So direct formula is 1 by AD minus BC. That means 1 by 4 minus 3 into 2, 6. This matrix is the adjoint matrix. Just interchange the diagonal elements. 4, 1. Change the sign of non-diagonal elements. Minus 2, minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 2, 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. You can multiply by minus 1 by 2. 4 by minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. So this is the way of finding inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So if you want to find inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix, as usual, A inverse equal to adjoint A by det A. First we find det A. After that we find adjoint A. To find adjoint A, we need to find cofactor matrix. After that, if you take the transpose of the cofactor matrix, we get adjoint A. And finally, we use the formula A inverse equal to adjoint A by det A. So this is inverse of a matrix.